If you are a student, teacher, researcher, or content creator, you have probably heard of Turnitin, but is it still the best plagiarism checker in 2026? In this review, I'll cover its key features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using. What is Turnitin? Turnitin is one of the most widely used plagiarism detection platforms in education. It compares submitted documents against a massive database of academic papers, journals, websites, and previously submitted student work to identify potential plagiarism and citation issues. Key features: 1. Advanced plagiarism detection. Turnitin scans billions of web pages, academic publications, and student papers to generate a similarity report showing matched content and sources. AI writing detection. One of Turnitin's most talked about features is its AI writing detection tool, which helps educators identify content that may have been generated by AI models like ChatGPT. Detailed similarity reports. The platform highlights matching text and provides links to original sources, making it easier for instructors to review submissions. Feedback and grading tools. Teachers can leave comments, provide feedback, and grade assignments directly within the platform, saving time during the review process. Pros: industry leading plagiarism detection accuracy, large academic database, AI writing detection capabilities, detailed reports and source tracking, integrated grading and feedback tools. Cons: not typically available for individuals users directly. AI detection isn't always 100% accurate, can be expensive for institutions. Some similarity matches may require manual review. Is Turnitin worth it in 2026? For schools, universities, and educators, Turnitin remains one of the most trusted plagiarism detection solutions available. Its extensive database and academic focus make it a strong choice for maintaining academic integrity. However, if you are an individual student or content creator, access can be limited since Turnitin is primarily designed for institutions. In that case, alternatives like Grammarly, Plagiarism Checker, or Copyscape may be easier to access. Final verdict. So is Turnitin the best plagiarism checker in 2026? For academic institutions, it's still one of the top options thanks to its powerful detection system, detailed reports, and AI content analysis tools. While it is not perfect, it remains a leading solution for plagiarism prevention and academic integrity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful and useful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.